So Paul's one of the youngest and newest members to join the team at Hollenshades. Hi, Paul.
Hi, Tim.
So Paul kind of had his formal training at CCBC. He has multiple ASE certifications, and he worked in a chain tire store prior to joining our team here at Hollenshades. So what do you think of it so far, Paul? You're 2 years in.
Besides all the fact that I get yelled at on a daily basis, but that's pretty much part of the job when you're a rookie. I mean, I wouldn't have it any other way. Working with Hollenshades is a dream come true. I almost felt like the whole going to college was force-fed down your throat. Like, oh, you gotta go to college, you gotta get a degree. Like, without a degree, you're not gonna make it in the world. But Tim's different because he went to college. I just went to a community college, solely focused on this trade because I tried going for a degree. Academics just didn't work for me because if it wasn't related to cars, I had no interest in doing the projects, the reports, and that's what ultimately led to my failing of the academic side of the college.
But you've learned a lot here, and you learn and you get the training and
Absolutely.
the coaching that you need, and it's done in a safe environment,
Absolutely.
one with a lot of structure and organization. You can steadily make good progress.
Absolutely, and you know what allows me to move farther and quicker is how your dad preaches on efficiency.
What would you say is kind of a way to positively sum up what it is to be a trade professional? Here, us automotive, other trades like HVAC and all that, versus a corporate type of office worker. What would you say you enjoy about like a skilled trade environment?
What I think I enjoy most is I'm not sitting in a chair all day. What I like here is I'm able to use my hands. I'm a very hands-on learner. So with me learning with my hands and visually seeing what I'm working with, I can pick up on certain things a lot quicker.